everyone, happy Wednesday. Thank you so much for being patient with me yesterday because I did not post a math video. I was busy cleaning the classroom for just getting everything out and so that they can, get it ready for next year and clean it up and wax the floors and all of that. So thank you for being so patient with me. Let's get started on today's application problem. Robin had 8 cats. They're drawn in a specific way. What kind of way are these cats drawn in? A 5 group way. 3 of the cats, I drew the wrong number of cats. There we go. 8 cats. My goodness, Miss Elia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There were 8 cats drawn in a 5 group way. 3 of the cats went outside to play in the sunshine. So what should I do to the 3 cats in my 5 group? Cross them out. Now I'm going to create a number bond that tells about this story. So how many cats were there all together total at the beginning of our story? 8. We always put our whole in the whole. Always put the number we started with in the whole with the subtraction sentence, right? Now, how many did we take away? 3. And how many are still there? 5. So what should we do in the number bond to the amount of cats we took away? Cross it out. Very good. Now we're going to create our number sentence, our subtraction sentence. We always start with our whole number, the number we started with. We use our minus because minus means take away. And how many did we take away? 3. And 8 minus 3 equals, how many are still there? How many are still in the house? 5. Let's read the number sentence. Ready? 8 minus 3 equals 5. 8 minus 3 equals 5. And that's it for today's application problem. Okay, we're going to start with our concept development. I want you to count the number of cubes in my stick. How many are there? 8. Very good. There are 8 cubes in my stick. If I break one off, how many are there now in my stick? 7. So 8 take away 1 is 7. Let's say that again. 8 take away 1 is 7. Now we're going to draw what we just did on the whiteboard. So I'm going to draw my stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And one more, 8. So we drew our matching 8 stick. And what should we do to the one that we broke off and took away? Cross it out. Very good. So we had 8, we took away 1, and now there are how many? 7. Let's draw the number bond about our story, about what happened. So what number did we start with? 8. And 8 goes in our parts or whole? Our whole. How many did we take away? 1. And how many do we still have? 7. We know that 7 and 1 make 8, but we also know that 8, and how do we show which one we took away? Cross it out. 8 take away 1 is 7. Do you see that? In our number bond, 8 take away 1 is 7. Now let's write our subtraction sentence. We always start with our whole in the subtraction sentence. We always use what symbol when we're subtracting? Minus. And we subtracted what number? 1. And what number did we have when we took away 1 from 8? 7. Let's read the subtraction sentence. Ready? 8 minus 1 equals 7. Read it by yourselves. Get ready. 8 minus 1 equals 7. Now we're going to do something a little differently. Still going to have this. Just like we did the other day, I am going to write what numbers we have. So we have 1. We've done 1. Now on our 8 stick, I'm going to roll the die so I can see how many I'm going to take away. How many? 4. So I'm going to take away 4. I'll do it the easier way with our dots like last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many are we going to take away? 4. So I'm going to cross out those dots. 4. Very good. Now we're going to do our number bond. So what number did we start with? 8, because 8 is our magic number of the day, and also 8 is the code word of the day. Send it to me and I'll know you watched this video. 8. How many did we take away? 4. And how many do we still have? 4? What? So 4 and 4 make 8. Interesting. 8 take away. What number did we take away? 4. 8 take away 4 is 4. Now let's write our subtraction sentence. We always start with our whole. What symbol do we always use when we're subtracting, when we're taking away? Minus what number? 4 equals what number? 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Say that. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Let's add that to our list. And let's erase. Starting over. Let's roll our dice again. We got what number? 2. So we would cross out 2 of our dots, and let's count how many dots I did not cross out. How many are still left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are still left. So how would our number bonds look? 8. How many did we take away? 2. How many do we still have? 6. And when we do it in our number bond, it makes it super easy to count, right? Because we already know there's 5 on the top. So we don't need to count each one. Just go 5, 6. We only have 6 left. Now what should I do to the 2? Cross it out. Now what's our number sentence? 8 minus 2 equals 6. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Very good. Let's add that to our board. Let's do 2 more. Roll the dice. Oh, it's not 6. What am I doing? My head is just in la la land, isn't it? We got this number. What number is that? 5. 5. Let's take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do we have left when we take away 5? 3. Very good. So let's fill in our number bond. We always put the whole number in the hole. And what are our parts of this story? How many did we take away? How many are still there? Which one do I need to cross out? 5. Very good. I'm going to cross out 5. So let's do our subtraction sentence. 8 minus 5 equals what number? 3. Read me the sentence. Eight minus 5 equals 3. Let's do one more. Erase all of this. Let's do our dots again. Rolling the dice. We've done 2 already. We've done 4 already. 6. Let's do it. 6. So 1, 2, wait, we don't have to count each one. We know that if I cross out all of the top row, it's 5. 5, 6. So I crossed out 6. How many are still left? 2. Very good. So we're going to fill in our number bond. What number did we start with? 8. How many did we take away? 6. And how many are still left? 2. And which one do we cross out? 6. So let's do the number sentence. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Read it to me. Yes, 8 minus 6 equals 2. Very good. I'm going to write all of the combinations that we can subtract from 8, and we're going to read them together. Starting with 8 minus 8 equals 0. Read it. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Read this one to me. Get ready. 8 minus 7 equals 1. 8 minus 6 equals. Read this one to me. Ready? 8 minus 6 equals 2. Read this one to me. Ready? 8 minus 5 equals 3. I already did that one. Let's try this one. Read it to me. Very good, you did that by yourself. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Eight minus 3 equals 5. Read it to me. Yes, 8 minus 3 equals 5. Read it to me. Yes, 8 minus 2 equals 6. Read it to me. 8 minus 1 equals 7. Very good. And I'm going to show you one more. What if we did 8 minus 0? What does 8 take away nothing equal? So if I have my cube stick and I take away none of the cubes, how many do I have? 8. Read it to me. 8 minus 0 equals 8. And that's it for today's concept development. Let's move on to the problem set. Here is our problem set for lesson 24. It's the same thing we did in our concept development. You're going to put an X on some of the dots, however dots it tells you, however many dots it tells you, and you're going to fill in the number bond and the subtraction sentence. But wait, at the bottom, it says put an X on some dots. It is up to you. Whatever you want to do, however many dots you want to do, you do those dots. Next, you're going to draw 8 dots. Ooh, you're in charge of drawing the dots. And put an X on however many dots it tells you. Fill in the subtraction sentence and the number bond. But the last one, draw 8 dots in a 5 group and put an X on some dots. That one looks like it's up to you. If you want to cross out 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0. I wonder which one you're going to pick. And that's it for today's problem set. And that's it for lesson 24. Again, I just wanted to say thank you so much for your patience with me this week. I have so many tasks to do, and you guys are amazing for being so patient with me. And thank you so much. And I hope you guys have an amazing Wednesday. I don't even know what day of the week. Bye, guys.